All right, so we dropped off everything, or dropped off the trailer to the house, and then we drove by all Transmission World, but my battery wasn't working right, so I didn't get that on recording. And now we're on our way to E&H again. Yeah, those are all metal. Pretty sure it is. I don't even see any more magnets against it. Oh, there's a magnet. Let me see. Yep. Alright, one more. Let's go ahead and get this unloaded. Did you put the snapper out there? What? The lawnmower? No. No. I was gonna say, that thing looks like mint condition.
Yeah, the deck's all fucked up.
Ah.
We looked at it too, we thought about fixing it up.
Yeah. Alright, let me get this done. I got one more truck to bring in. Alright, put that over there because that's aluminum. Woo. So, I was over there talking to Jeff, right? And I will be getting a alligator clamp machine from the yard. I'm gonna purchase it off of the owner, so I can start breaking my own stuff down even further without having to lose some money and time. So, yeah. I'll let y'all see it and everything once I pick it up. Oh, that's a... Huh. That is all aluminum, so I'm gonna see if I can... Huh. Ooh-ah. This vehicle is messy. So I should be able, there we go. Pop that up, pull that out, come on. Oh yes sir. All right. And this is brass. I threw like, and it sucks, I threw like 10 of them out in the yard the other day. I didn't know they were brass. So I lost out on that. Everything. That could be cut and stripped down further. That's a nice looking wire. All right. Ow! Ouch, 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 ouch. Ow. I don't even see a puncture mark, but that hurt. Hit a nail. Whew. So yeah, pretty much the reason why I'm getting the alligator snips, like I said, I want to start being able to tear down all my metal, and I want to try to do it as fast as possible. So that being said, using a sawzall and stuff like that, just takes too much time. And then it costs extra money because I have to put it into the Sawzall, like in the blades and stuff like that. So that being said, the snip, quite a bit of money, $1,200, which I had to really debate on. He wanted 15, and they go anywhere from 5 to 20 something thousand new. So to be honest, him saying 15 was a heck of a deal. So, but I'll bring y'all back in a minute. So we're gonna turn in or buy that piece of equipment. Wow.
That dog for 55-gallon drums to carry it where it needs to be.
We already tried it out yesterday. It works and everything.
Oh, I know she does.
Well, she's a little loud.
She'll chop your finger fucking off.
Mm-hmm.
I just told him he needs to grease it and probably change the oil out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, the oil's...
It's thick.
It's easy to find out where fuck you.
I'm just trying to see if...
Oh no, that looks good.
That's good.
That's beautiful.
Looking from the top, it looks thick and black, but yeah, that was clean.
Move that out, Jacob. My God.
Oh, you don't want me to cuss? All right, hold on. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. Right there. Why is she tipping sideways? Got it? You're gonna have to re-grab this bitch. Come over here. Right there.
You might have to move that yellow thing.
That yellow thing.
Down. Set it down. Yeah.
What? No,
Oh. Whoa.
that black thing will probably have to be moved.
That's the part that I was gonna invent something with it, but you can put it over here.
All right.
This won't go nowhere. I got this. Only thing is, watch your fingers right there. Oh. You got it. It goes through. Hold on. Another word, my bad. Hold on. You got my extension. You think I can come through here? There you go.
Do you think I can come through here? Do you think I can?
I don't know. We can try it.
This way. You move the forklift.
Find it is always a crack supply.
Yeah.
Hand me that money, Jacob. Before
Yeah, not in the video. That's funny.
Oh, he's still here?
Oh yeah. He is patrolling.
Yeah, the day I finally show up with the cash, he's actually here.
Ain't that a bitch? I'm gonna take it from you. What? Bottle of freaking starting fluid. What am I doing?
Yeah, boy. He just pulled up. Oh yeah. Hey, like I said, we just had to get a yes or a no, and I was gonna get it.
All right, you want to grab my hook that's on the where the feed draw is? Because I want to hook it. I don't want to have it on the board. So.
Yeah. Where did you say your hook was?
Right by Al.
All right.
Right there, Al.
Yeah, that'd probably be a good idea so I ain't straining my back when I go to pull it off myself. Huh.
Yeah, you got the big hook, yeah. Don't want to go around the side. Let me see. I need to come down a little bit. Watch me. Tell me when.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Yeah, we still got a while. You got to go down there quite a bit. More.
I just wanted to see if I would possibly hit that.
Or actually, if you back up some.
Yeah.
Hold on, wait right there. All right, start going up. Oh, come on. All right.
Pretty level too.
Yeah.
Painter.
Oh, I'm gonna pressure wash it. I'm gonna do some, definitely get it cleaned up. It's gonna be inside my garage. I can't have it looking too dirty.
You should have that bright green.
Bright green.
Fluorescent green. Slimer.
Look like my little crash trailer. I may do that. Yeah, it's like that color.
Yeah, yeah. I even have a can to give you.
Woo, it's not swinging.
Well,
I was talking to it.
a little choppy.
Yeah. As long as it don't hit those cables, we should be good.
If you didn't buy it, I was going to put it on here right there.
Right over there, yeah.
That's what I'm going to do it so you can touch it.
Bring y'all back in a minute. I got it all set up, or at least set up for now. It's actually going to be going into the garage, but pretty much it's like Jeff's. I'm gonna have to do some adjusting, but yeah. But yeah, so it's gonna make it where I could go through all the brass stuff. I got trash cans full of them, and get them cleaned up. And instead of days or weeks, it should be about an hour. Because all the stuff like this, which is steel, that's soldered to this, which is brass. Right, all I had to do was push it here and go down, and it popped that right off, which makes that now clean brass. We also made $83 from the run with the stuff that we had when we went and picked this up. But yeah, we'll bring you for the next show later. All right, bye bye for now.